Okay, so I am on the allamericanwaterrestoration.com webpage. I'm on their homepage actually right now. And as you can see, it's pretty clean, looks pretty nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick demonstration to show how artificial intelligence can do a few things that might actually increase the engagement, help with the SEO rankings, and help All American Water Restoration get more business. So here's the page I'm going to go into. It's the one on water damage. So let me click Learn More and see what they have to say about it. And it's short and sweet, good. What I'm going to do is take this sentence, or rather paragraph right here. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go into Jarvis. Now, as you can see, Jarvis has lots of different things that we could do with it. There are 50 different templates we can use. So here's one piece. Let's try marketing angles. And so we'll put in All American Water Restoration. And let me go ahead and paste in that piece of text that I showed a few moments earlier. And I'm going to ask Jarvis to give us 10 different marketing angles that All American Water Restoration might use on the website. And as you can see here, within just a few seconds, it's come up with these bullet points. So here, for instance, use our leak detection services to keep your home safe. Or how about, do you have a leaking pipe? Not sure where it's coming from. We'll help find the source and get rid of the problem for you. All right, so those are marketing angles. Let's go back in and let's try something like the content improver. So let's take out what I had here before. And once again, we'll put in that same bit of content and click Generate AI Content. And let's see, again, within a few seconds, what Jarvis does. It's actually going out and looking at some other content. Hey, check this out. So we take the existing, most homeowners think of damage from water as something that occurs from floods and other natural disasters. Let's look over here. These are among the 6 outputs. When was the last time you checked your roof for leaks? Leaks from a rooftop can cause some serious damage to an entire home. And it goes on from there. So as I said, we've got 6 different variations of content that Jarvis has said, gee, maybe this will work better. What about social media? Maybe we want to create something on social. Maybe we want to take the content that's in the website and improve upon it. That's what we've done here. But going back, you can see, once again, there are so many different variations that will allow you to potentially make some great improvements on your website or on Facebook ads or in the company bio. You get the idea. So I hope this short demonstration is helpful. Contact me if you need any help. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can get the updates on all of the videos that we put on our YouTube channel. Bye for now.